The All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association had convened a meeting on the 18th of September 2024 at Malki Ground, Shillong. The gathering, which saw the participation of local tourist taxi drivers and owners, was also supported by various commercial vehicle associations from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. The primary objective of the meeting was to call on the state government to formulate a policy for local tourist taxis and regulate the operations of tourist cabs from other states at key tourist destinations within Meghalaya. Addressing the issue, a member of the association pointed to the government's stepmotherly treatment towards tourist cab drivers as the root cause of the agitation.
Yan kejingnya ki gunung tong.
Tani dia kalau mangajing sedang ngajungi bangin mau kadak bangin peni rai ke ya kejingnya ki dia ngimpat nilan kamangi kerpat yang sekat pat bahkan syemkiai kan ni bat wan maaf adu bangin dara plakat bangin yang surang in wan sekretariat bangin nanti tingkang pada mau kan ni kedai ke kamdai ke jing mentoi isman rai kedai dengan kamlang ni berokat kedai dengan saru kilawai bansawan Dehawa ni yang ni yang idan lat nadong cerong nadu usun benang idan kebabiang idan kijakai babiang belai lah kerkui kini kijakai jing ini kini sang kajing piet jong inong yalam bat kajing jaitu jong inong yalam bagi melek ikut humok kepada belek yang ikepat sekar bahkan melek ikut humok kamtam iba pol sabin keren idai ban hiar madan idai ban pan information kebabiang senang ba ngiru ngilak kan ban mo ban ai museum sekar le ban ai solution ban ai idea ada piwan hiar semadan fungsi kai kajingnya kaba ni kumji nong belang imat mane driver babon kimat tang ni.
A local driver present at the meeting expressed frustration over the difficult conditions faced by drivers, accusing the state government of ignoring their legitimate demands. He further urged upon the state government to give the drivers' concerns the same attention it has afforded to the demands of farmers in the state.
Ngarung lalej po arunachal habang yalami kituris po arunachal boy po tawang ngihapan yang no po guest house bat nang tu saya lap lokal nang tu kituris na po arunachal si kituris po pafer jaga jing dawa jong iru kadai kata kaman
kata kajing so jong api kani ka sarkar ni kada ada bentuk kemat lang ni sengi ki driver ngir ni sem sing ni kinong punya start borok atas nam ni duna kata jing cuma ni kisnam pemerintah tapi long kali ru kila nang buon beri ujung iru idang buon berduduk kam kejam dik sarkar kadi pek bini aku mak pek kita kinong rap ikui bentar beri ujung iru bentar driver ujung iru kadi pai kemat lam ni kentu para driver ujung iru kindon tak teli akan ni ka lama ka bentar bangin lak pen terikam bangin lak pen sawah.